In industry, flow measurement looks simple, but in real plant conditions, selecting the right flow meter is very important. If the wrong flow meter is selected, you may get wrong readings, pressure loss, process problems, or repeated maintenance issues. So today, let's understand the turbine flow meter in simple language. This is a turbine flow meter. It is used to measure liquid flow in a pipeline. When liquid passes through the meter, the turbine inside starts rotating. This rotation is converted into an electrical signal. Then the flow value can be displayed locally or sent to a PLC, controller, indicator, data logger, or SCADA system. The working is very simple. Inside the meter, there's a turbine or rotor. When the liquid flow is high, the turbine rotates fast. When the liquid flow is low, the turbine rotates slowly. The sensor detects this rotation and converts it into flow reading. That is why correct pipe size, flow range, and installation are very important. Many customers want to know, how much liquid is flowing in the pipeline? How can we send flow reading to PLC or SCADA? How can we monitor flow in production, utility, dosing, or process lines? For these applications, a turbine flow meter is very useful. It gives fast response, good repeatability, and accurate liquid flow measurement. Now let's understand the main specifications. This turbine flow meter is available from 15 mm to 150 mm line size. So before selection, first confirm your pipe size. The accuracy mentioned is around ±1% of reading under standard conditions. The process temperature range is -20 degrees Celsius to 150 degrees Celsius. The environment temperature range is -20 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. The body material is stainless steel 304L or 316L. The nominal pressure is 16 kg per cm superscript 2. Connection type is flange connection. So this meter is generally installed directly in the pipeline using flanges. One very important point is the output signal. This turbine flow meter supports 4 to 20 mA, RS485 and pulse output. 4 to 20 mA is useful for PLC, controller, indicator, or SCADA connection. Pulse output is useful for counting and total flow measurement. RS485 is useful for digital communication with automation systems. So before buying, always confirm which output your system needs. The power supply is 24V DC. This is commonly used in industrial control panels. The protection rating is IP65. This means the meter has basic protection against dust and water splash in normal industrial conditions. But for outdoor, washdown, heavy moisture, or hazardous area applications, always confirm the exact enclosure suitability before purchase. Flow range depends on line size. For example, DN15 is suitable for around 0.6 to 6 cubic meter per hour. DN50 is suitable for around 4 to 40 cubic meter per hour. DN100 is suitable for around 20 to 200 cubic meter per hour. DN150 is suitable for around 30 to 300 cubic meter per hour. So never select a flow meter only by pipe size. Always check actual minimum and maximum flow rate. If the flow is too low, the meter may not read properly. If the flow is too high, it can affect accuracy and meter life. This turbine flow meter can be used in water flow monitoring, utility lines, process liquid lines, chemical dosing lines, batching systems. But before using it for corrosive liquids, viscous liquids, dirty liquids, slurry, or high-temperature fluids, always confirm compatibility. Before buying a turbine flow meter, confirm these points: pipe size, flow range, liquid type, pressure, temperature. This small checking can avoid wrong product selection and future site problems. So overall, a turbine flow meter is a practical solution for accurate liquid flow measurement in industrial pipelines. It is useful where you need a fast response, stainless steel construction, flange connection, and output options like 4 to 20 mA, RS485 and pulse. For price, stock availability, and technical guidance, contact Radical TechArt. Our team will help you select the right product as per your application. Thank you for watching.